Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to use the two-way audio on Xiaomi Smart Camera C701. To do it, you can either to listen on your phone to the sound the camera records, you can click on the preview, then click on this speaker icon. Now as you can hear, it plays the sound from my camera on the phone. If I want the other way around, to use my phone's microphone to say something to the camera, so for example the person that's near the camera hears me, I can click on this little microphone. I will need to allow microphone access, and now I think when I click here I can begin to speak. It doesn't work well if the devices are next to each other, but it will work well if I were further away. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.